everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about a very well-known concept known as subtising. Subtising and estimation are two important concepts that need to be taught to children. First, subtising is where the child looks at the number of dots either on a piece of paper, dominoes, or like the way I have represented it over here on cups, and then tells you the value. This works for smaller based numbers. For numbers greater than 50 or 60, it is really difficult for the child to just look at the number of dots and tell you what the value. So for greater number of values, we use a concept of estimation, where the child approximately will estimate the quantity and the nearest value is the correct answer. So subtising is a very important concept that needs to be developed for children because this concept will help them in mathematics and in quantitative values. So over here what I've done is I have taken some paper cups and I have just put dots, stickers on them from the value of 1 to 6. There is no reason why I have mixed up the dot colors or anything. It is just a simple DIY. Another thing that you will be needing is this printable. For the printable link, it will be there in the description below. So let's start. So first of all, the first thing that you will ask your child to do is basically orally tell you the values by just looking at the dots. So this is 4, 3, 1, 2, 6 and 5. Next, the child is going to build this pyramid. Basically, it is just a fun activity. It helps in spatial reasoning skills, logical building skills, one-to-one correspondence, and of course the main concept of subtising. And we have just put all of them together in one fun based activity. So for the first one, I have the value 2, 4, 5. Next I have 6, 3, and the last one is 1. So that becomes your pyramid. As a fun activity, you can take any ball or you can take any bean bag and knock them off. So this becomes like a fun activity. Just taken values up to 6 to make it a little more interesting and to increase the complexity of the problem and the concept of subtising. What you can do is include more values. The only thing is make sure that your pyramid structure is created in such a way that it is stable. So if I include 7 and 8, basically I'll be having 4, 3, 2, 1, and that would be my pyramid structure. So I hope you like this activity. It's a very simple DIY, and for a starter kid you can just start with 3 values and then keeping on increasing the values. It will be a good activity for the kids. It's a nice quiet time based activity, and this also acts as an addition to Glenn-Tobin method, where the child already has the concept of subtising and you've introduced the concept and now you want to revise it using some activity. So this is a good add-on to it. Hope you like this video. Happy learning.